I don't really know what our strategy is here because we definitely need to follow instructions. We need to make sure we go to the right part of the graph or of the chart, and that's pretty clear based on the question. So agriculture, natural resources, 2008 to 2010. So that's the first row, and these two boxes. So let me change color here. We're really looking at these two numbers. Um, then I've never seen this on any other SAT except this one, but we do need to kind of understand average rate of change and what that means. What most people do here is they just take 488,106 and subtract 358,708, and with a calculator, that's no problem at all. 488,106 minus 358,708. And that is 129,398, which is approximately choice D. And that's what most people pick when they get it wrong. That's not the answer, and the reason is that that's a 2-year difference in the budget. So if we wanted an average, we would want to think, okay, well, that's the total change over 2 years. What's happening each year? So the solution is really just to divide this by 2, and we get approximately 65,000, right? 130,000 divided by 2 is, or 65 million, sorry, I'm missing out numbers here. But it doesn't matter, you get the point. The unit here is not the issue. The issue is that why would we remember to do that? Maybe we have a little bit of get back to basics going on where we can think of this, oh, I didn't even spell it right. Get back to basics, where we can think of this more like a slope. And then, okay, it's like the change in y, which is what we just did here, over the change in x, which is the 2 years. I don't know if that helps. The only other thing I've got here is maybe from the start, we should have sensed the difficulty and known that this is probably going to be a slightly tricky question. We're at number 22 out of 30, so we're in the hard zone of the test here. These are supposed to be hard questions. And it seems a little too good to be true for the solution to be to just subtract two numbers, especially if they're numbers we can put in a calculator, right? So that seems a little too easy for a question that's this late in the exam. And so maybe with that in mind, we have that moment of pause where we think, okay, I got this 130 million, but that seems too easy. Maybe there's something else I need to do. And it's that moment of pause and reflection that hopefully gets us to think about this division by 2. And I guess that's the key, is we need to know on the SAT when to have that little moment of reflection where we doubt our instincts, and when it's okay to just keep going. And really, you're dividing each section into thirds. And so now we're in the back third. Questions 21 to 30 in the calculator section are supposed to be kind of hard. So we should have that moment of pause when things are too easy. And hopefully that helps us catch some stuff that we otherwise might miss. That's the best I've got.